Hi mga langga! So late upload po tayo for today's video. Sa mga bago po pala sa page ko, ako po si Mami Rain, a solo parent to 3 boys whose dad grew a pair of pinks way back 2019. And this is my solo parenting journey. So bale, ito po yung mga ganap ng Mother's Day. So bale, may nagpadala po sa amin ng Mother's Day treat for me and the boys, which I initially said no to. Now don't get me wrong, I am very much grateful, but then I said no because nahihiya na talaga ako. It's the same person, I mean the same couple who gave us the groceries, if you remember that. So when they messaged us, asking us kung may plano ba kami for Mother's Day, I said wala. Because honestly, wala naman talaga. But then I said, that's alright, that they don't have to bother anymore because again, they have given us so much already. And as I've said, daulaw na jud ko. But then they are kind enough to insist. And then somehow I realized it is not really for me, but it's for the boys. And like, murag lain pud balibara, no? So I remember a friend, whenever she gives something for the boys and mobalibad ko, and I said no to it, she would always tell me, dili man ni para sa imuti, para man ni sa mga boys or para man ni sa mga kids. So ingon ana ba? So yeah, they were kind enough to offer na i-treat kami for Mother's Day. They were even asking if saan ba gustong kumain ng mga bagets, ganun. And so I told them na kahit ano, like literally kahit ano, I know my kids, kilala ko yung mga bagets, alam ko whatever they get, they will truly appreciate it. But then they insisted that I ask my kids what they wanna eat kasi parang nahihirapan din silang mag-decide, ganun. So yes, I asked the boys what they wanted to eat, and Aiki said mango float, Isaiah said chicken, and Kael said spaghetti. So yun. So ayun, wala mang pa mango float, may pa pizza naman, and we are very grateful for that. And I also realized something while I was editing this, parang this was the first time na nag-celebrate kami ng Mother's Day after their daddy was gone. Yeah, I was trying to recall any instances na nag-celebrate kami ng Mother's Day, pero wala akong maalala. So feeling ko hindi talaga kami nakapag-celebrate ng Mother's Day after what happened. So ayun, wala talaga akong ma-recall na memory or anything. Parang nagiging normal day na lang siya, ganun. So somehow this makes everything extra special. So anyway, while we were enjoying our Mother's Day treat that day, sinamantala ko na din yung pagkakataon to have a heart-to-heart convo with them. My boys are not really expressive. They are not vocal. Yes, makwento sila. They tell me about things, about their day, what happened in school, mga ganun. But they don't talk about emotions, yung deeper emotions. Hindi ko alam kung ganun talaga pag boys. Alam niyo yun, yung hindi expressive. Or ganun sila kasi ganun din yung daddy nila, hindi expressive na tao. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, even before, I always make sure to talk to them or have a deeper conversations with them every once in a while. And we call them a heart-to-heart talk. Usually, ginagawa namin siya if, let's say, I'm mad about something or if I need to call them out about something. Or not necessarily when I'm mad or may nagawa silang hindi ko nagustuhan, but basta every time we have to talk about something important, ganun. Mga things beyond the normal daily conversations ba? But anyway, if you are curious kung ano yung mga napag-usapan namin that time, it was uploaded on a separate vlog. I would really appreciate it if you can also check it out. And I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do us a favor and hit like, share, and follow. And of course, kita-kits na mga vlog. Bye-bye!